Ready.
Hey, Momo.
Remember to catch the sunset.
Wow. Going uphill even. Beautiful.
I know. That's Libby's cartwheel.
All right, Liv. Come on, let's see it, Liv.
I don't care. Okay, do it.
Oh, I missed you, Lou. Try it again. Not bad.
Put yourself out there.
That's my girl.
Right-handed, not left-handed.
I can't do cartwheels.
With your right hand.
I can't do cartwheels.
With right-handed. With your right hand.
Vaughn, come back. That was interesting.